Hello, and thanks for joining me for the NetSuite overview demo for manufacturing. My name is Christina Harchins. I'm a senior solution consultant here at NetSuite, and I've been in the industry for the past 18 years. Most recently, I was a customer at Thermacell Repellents. I implemented their NetSuite solution in 90 days. I was also their NetSuite administrator. After about 18 months with Thermacell, I decided to come work here at NetSuite to help other manufacturers choose NetSuite to be their next and last ERP. So today we're going to start off by diving into a real life scenario, touching on mobile access, web browser access, role-based content, customizable forms, and searches, followed up by seeing those changes in mobile. The normal day starts by logging into your mobile. Notice I'm logged in as a senior executive, so let's see what that looks like. Your mobile dashboard will look very similar to your desktop dashboard, regardless if it's an iPhone or an Android. You can see from this dashboard important information. I like to check my work orders every morning. My reminders show me that I have 46 work orders past due today. We make a quick phone call to the production planner. Melissa, do you know why we have so many late work orders? Let's jump in and take a look at what the desktop for the production planner looks like. Notice this is the desktop version. You can access this anywhere in any browser. It's browser agnostic. As Melissa Seaver, our production planner, we go right to our reminders, and we're going to give an update on those work orders for our senior executive within minutes. We know we've been tracking these and have already added a user-defined field to the work order. Our saved search has some highlighting, but she also realizes she really doesn't know why the orders are late either. So let's update this search in real time. Our search criteria is looking at work orders released, processed, and planned. However, the results are what we really need to update. We can add the field that I've already created on my work orders that we've been keeping track of. It's called Work Order Late Reason Code. This is going to be a huge help to be able to keep track of our late work orders. Everyone will have access as soon as we save this. This is real time. Now we will update the search with inline editing. No need to open each work order to go ahead and edit these. Let's go ahead and update a few so that our senior executive knows that we have updated our records and now they are ready to view. Now let's jump back to our mobile phone and take a peek at those 46 late work orders. Melissa just told us that we're all set to review the updates. So I'm just going to scroll over, and all of a sudden now you can see all of our late reason codes are here for us to view. What I have just shown you in our scenario is that NetSuite is adaptable, intuitive, and real time. I was able to add a field within seconds and just see the results on our mobile phone. You can access NetSuite and manage your business from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Let's move on to dashboards and dynamic reporting. A lot of other companies, on day one when you log in, you get a blank dashboard. That is not what NetSuite delivers. With Suite Success, out of the box, you're going to get dashboards for all your multiple roles you can see here. I'm back in as Melissa Seaver, a production manager. We have learned from other manufacturing companies what is most important to run the day-to-day business, and that is reflected in our dashboards, like KPIs, navigation portlets, and reports. Reminders help you manage by exception. Workflows that are running in the background place reminders of what is important for you to do on a daily basis. You can also create your own reminders and KPIs from a saved search. Every role is going to be a different. So let me jump back into our senior executive role, and you notice immediately the change in color. This is to show you how easy it is to personalize. If I want to move things around with these portlets, they're all just drag and drop. I'm just going to move a couple of these around so we can see what that looks like. You can update the dates and you can personalize to your needs. Notice also the KPIs for the senior executive. A little bit different. Not looking as much at work order performance, this is looking more at inventory, revenue, and cash flow. You can also open up little trend graphs to view and/or export. Dynamic, real-time reporting. With Suite Success, you'll get over 250 reports out of the box, and they're all customizable. When I drill down into this income statement, now, not everybody's going to have access to these financials unless they have the appropriate permissions, but I like to slice and dice this report. Class, customer, department, item, location, but today we're just going to go ahead and update this by month. We'll go ahead and hit refresh, so now you can see what we were able to slice and dice and get a really good look at this income statement by month for this year. You also have the availability to collapse, expand, add graphs, export to Excel, PDF, CSV, or Word. Print it right from here, email, or go ahead and schedule it. So that's like a set it and forget it function. If you have some reports you need to send to the board at the end of the month, just format it once. NetSuite will send it out as scheduled. NetSuite also allows you to customize reports as you need them. I know with a lot of other softwares, customize is a dirty word, and with NetSuite it's not. You're able to customize and configure anything you need. NetSuite is the reporting engine. So no need to be a genius. You can just go in and pull the data from any field into a report, just like the work orders we were looking at earlier. You can go ahead and add the information, you can edit the columns, and you can add any fields. So let's say I wanted to add a phone number to this report. Just search by phone number, select the field, and let's pull it into our report. You can see I can move it around. You can search for anything you wanted to add to this report and never need to worry it's going to overwrite your original report name. Notice it says custom here. Let's go ahead and preview, and now it's giving me the phone number right here on the report. So pretty easy. You could see that it was done relatively quickly with just a couple of seconds. All right, so we just reviewed role-based access, the fact that everything is actionable based on those reminders, and the fact that NetSuite is real time. We showed that not only the save search in the first section, but now we just showed a report. NetSuite is flexible and dynamic. Your day 1 and your day 365 are going to look remarkably different because what you know on day 1 and what you learn over the course of the duration of your business and improving your process is going to be remarkable. We're going to be right there with you every step of the way to help you. How is that possible? With user experience and with recent records, favorites, and global search and suite answers. Not to mention our uptime definitely helps you manage your business. Let's jump back into that dashboard. Keeping track of recent records is right here. This is so you don't have to remember what you just did. Everybody's wearing multiple hats and is doing multiple things. You're getting interrupted as you're going through the day, and this is going to help you save a little bit of time remembering and jumping right back into where you were. We also have what's called your favorites. So as you're learning and as you start to get to know places you go most often, you just go ahead and add them to your favorites. Your goal should be to be able to do your job right from your dashboard every day. NetSuite's global search is also a game changer. It will give you the power to look up anything, whether it's a name, PO number, an invoice, vendor number, whatever you have on an account, phone numbers, a customer name, email addresses, just throw it in there and it's going to find everything for you. We also have something that's called Suite Answers and Help. It's a very dynamic learning portal. So if I go ahead and open up Help, it's going to bring me to the NetSuite Help Center no matter what page I was just on. So once you go live, again, your day 1 and your day 365 is going to look very different. You might want to research new things or turn on new modules. You can come here. Notice I've already gone ahead and searched for manufacturing routings. We can see there's 150 different results, 37 support articles, 11 training videos, 102 help topics, and some SuiteWorld presentations. This is also where you would go to find all of your training courses, training videos. We're really putting as much information out there to help you, your team, and your business be successful. We're also not shy about our stats and our uptime. So whenever you want, you can go to status.netsuite.com. This is going to show you our uptime, which currently is 99.98%. You can see it by region and what's going on. We also give you real-time updates right at your fingertips so you can help manage your business. So what does this mean to you? This means to you we have a standardized, intuitive user experience as well as a more meaningful help engine than most other ERPs. When you look at the whole package, we are the only one true cloud ERP system. We are extremely adaptable to your business. We're going to help you grow and improve your processes within your business. NetSuite is real time. You don't have to worry about any scripting, updates, or anything like that. You can update something in the office, and if somebody is on the other side of the globe, they see that update immediately. This is one true version of the truth. With all this technology at your fingertips, it will increase your ROI as well as decrease your total cost of ownership. I hope I was able to help you see that today, and thank you so much for your time.